Hi everybody, good afternoon from Nepal. Today is November 12, 2023. You can see these LED bulbs. We have just installed 32 days before, expecting that we can produce flower bud in off season. This is not a season. A month ago it had just stopped coming bud from the plants, and we just installed this LED light for off-season production. It's a testing. We are just testing, and now we can see some buds in very few plants. This is flower bud, and another one is here. We can definitely say this is due to the LED light effect. As we can say, Dragonfruit is a long day plant, and if we supply some more light to the plants, this plant will start budding as we heard. And there are a lot of practice in Vietnam, and they are very much succeed in off-season fruiting using a LED light. As you study photoperiodism, you will know all this thing, the reason and the effect of light on plant, on long day plant. So we're just trying. Hope we'll continue updating our more developments. Keep in touch. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button beside. Thanks for watching. Catch you later. Bye bye. Namaste.